So hello guys, good to have you here. In this video, I will show you how you can register on an affiliate network in Nigeria for free or in any part of the world you are without paying any amount of money. All you need to do in this platform, just put in your registration details and you start making money like other affiliate network. There are some other affiliate network that you have to pay some fee before you can be part of them. But this Zibarr affiliate network is very different from all of them. It's a revolution. Like the affiliate network is good for newbies or people that are really in the business, that are into the business before now, or anybody that is interested in making money online. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do now is to just fill this form up. Sorry, the first thing you need to do is to just go to affiliate.zibarr.com. Click on your search engine on your Google affiliate.zibarr.com, or you can click the link below in the description button. There's a link in the description below. Just try and click it. You will get a link there. So the link will take you here direct. You don't need to struggle to look for how you can register. So let's get started. Now you need to fill your name. First thing you need to do is just to fill in your name. You fill in your name. Here your first name, your second name, second name. So you fill in your email address. Use your working email address because they are going to send a code to this email address that you used to do your verification. Okay. So select your password. Let's select a simple password. Let's use something simple. Let's keep it simple. So again, now once you fill in all this form, all you need to do is just to click on continue. The continue will take you to another dashboard, and they will send a mail to your email address. So they will send a code to you. So you will now verify your account. Okay, that's why I said you should put your working email address. You now verify your account. After you're done verifying your account, then you will now start to log in and start to make money on this platform. Okay, now all you need to do now, I won't continue because I just registered a account with them, so I don't need to register another one again. So what I will just do now is to just take it to the login page and click on login. So you can see my details is up to fill already. All you need to do just to click on login. You input your email and your password and you click login. Voila. So this how you see the dashboard. This is how the dashboard is. Can you see now? So you see the classroom, you see everything. So this is the dashboard. You can see the dashboard like you are earning in dollars. You see in dollar. You see. So the platform is very beautiful and it's very sweet and it's straightforward. You don't need to crack your head to do anything here. All you need to just come and do just promote products. Look for products like promotion. Just navigate through all these things. The same process, you can do the same thing on your mobile phone as well. All these things is there. You don't need to maybe until you have system before you can do. No. You can do this both with your mobile phone and with your laptop. So guys, what are you waiting for? So don't forget, just click the link in my description below and get started now, because this platform will soon be a paid platform very soon. They are still a free platform now because a lot of people is not there yet and they are testing some things on this platform. That's why they make it free for all now. But if you don't register on time, they might change it to a paid platform, because once they have a lot of affiliates, what do you expect? People will be struggling to join, because when the thing is working for everybody would like to be on the platform. So guys, don't sleep on this. Try and go and click the link in my description below and get started today. Thank you. Peace and blessing.